Hello everybody. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix WhatsApp not sending verification code on iPhone. If WhatsApp is not sending a verification code to your iPhone, the problem is usually related to your phone number, network connection, or your SMS setting. So first, make sure you have entered your phone number correctly, including the correct country code. Then check that your iPhone has a working cellular signal and can receive regular text messages. You can simply go to your notifications bar in the top right, and you can simply turn on or off your airplane mode, and that your carrier is not experiencing service issues as well. And after that, WhatsApp will provide the code to an automated phone call, and this step usually fixes WhatsApp verification code issues and allow you to complete the account setup process. And that is it. That's how you can fix your WhatsApp not sending a verification code on iPhone 2026. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful.